the sun rising through the Gothic structures. As the sky turns gold, each turn reveals a brand new scene. Red rooftops shine in the evening glow as the sun sets soft and slow. So wander slow and enjoy the view. Welcome to Prague, a dream wrapped in stone.
First thing everyone wants to know, how do you get to the city centre?
You can buy the tickets at a machine or this place right here. It's the bus to Prague city centre. Let's go. As soon as you come out of the airport, you just need to walk straight to the bus. This is the terminal and that's the bus stop. You can also buy the tickets from here. Let me show you how.
Select English language and buy tickets based on hours. 90 minutes is enough for city centre, but if you're in town for more, it's better to buy 24 or 72 hours.
After you buy the ticket, you're not done yet. You need to validate your ticket.
Bus number 59 connects you to the green metro line.
You can also buy the tickets here in the bus. You can also validate your ticket. This bus will take us to the green metro station. The ticket checkers are really strict on this now. Make sure as soon as you buy your ticket, you validate it only once. After 15 minutes, you will arrive at this station, Green Metro Line station, called Nadrazi. Another validate machine, but remember, we've already done it once, and if you do it twice, then it will unvalidate. Platform 1 will stay steady for you. We have to get off at Mustek. We get down at this stop called Mustek. Walk in direction of Vodikova. In approximately 30 minutes, you get to the center of Prague. Behind me is the National Museum of Prague.
So guys, the National Museum looks grand and the details are incredible. You can also take a tour inside the museum for 300 Czech crowns. But we have a lot to cover, so we are heading to our hotel to check in. We booked our hotel in the Mala Strana area of Prague, also known as Lesser Town. All the spots were accessible by tram and it was very easy to get around.
So guys, let's go inside my room. This room is fantastic.
The hotel was very clean and nice. The room was spacious and the service was great. Definitely 4 stars.
Let's have a look at the balcony. It's so peaceful out here. We took the metro to the center of Prague. You might be thinking, there are so many places in central Prague. Where to start?
So we came
With a plan, we'll show you our plan.
behind the station.
Is this the famous turning head of Prague? This is Franz Kafka, also known as Kafka's head.
This marvelous piece is made up of 42 rotating stainless steel. The layer rotates at different speeds, creating the images of the head. The head rotates for 15 minutes on the hour between 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Franz Kafka covered now. Walking to our next stop, the Hanging Man. And trust me, this is one of the most picturesque walks in Prague. Why? See for yourself.
So guys, if we see up there, that's the statue. It's called the Hanging Man.
These narrow lanes look so good.
So guys, we are going to try a mojito. Let's try it. That is incredible. Feels so refreshing.
Now we are walking to the main square of Prague, the Old Town Square. We are right in front of the famous astronomical clock. And it is incredible. And this is Church of Our Lady Before Tin, the Gothic masterpiece. History of this square dates back to the 10th century, where it served as a marketplace for European trade routes. Prague's Old Town Square undergoes a stunning transformation in the evening as the lights come on. We will cover that in another vlog. We are now walking towards Charles Bridge. So guys, this is our last stop for today, and we are at the famous Charles Bridge. It felt like walking through an open air museum, except you're outside and the museum is on water. We got there just as the sun was starting to set and the whole sky turned orange and pink. The sunlight made the statues on the bridge glow in gold and bronze. You will see some statues have bright pots. That's because people believe it brings good luck when they touch. There are nearly 30 statues on the bridge, 15 on each side. It's like time travel, standing there and imagining what it was like hundreds of years ago. You can spend hours here and never get bored, as there is so much going on. This is it for today. Stay tuned for the next part, where we will explore the neighborhood of Prague Castle. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Ciao!